So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle, stay tuned. Okay guys, HairObsess Jay C here. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just did a hot oil treatment. Check that video out in the cards above. Okay guys, this is the best way I know to air dry my hair with curlers. Comment down below if you know how to air dry your hair without curlers, and I will try that out for you guys. So I'm just adding some oil to just get some sheen on my hair. So enjoy the rest of the video and like this video if you like it, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out when I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
So I hope you guys like this hairstyle, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the club down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.